Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your automatic brightness doesn't work properly. But first of all, try to toggle auto brightness by sliding down the control center and then hold down the brightness level to turn on the auto brightness, and to turn it off just hold this icon once again. You can also do the same thing in settings. If you open them, then go to display and brightness, and here by switching this toggle you can enable and disable the auto brightness. And in case it just doesn't want to work the way you want it to, then what you can do is turn off the screen, then grab a piece of dry cloth or a paper towel alternatively, and then wipe the surface of your device's screen, especially near your camera where the ambient light detectors are located. Then after that, restart your phone. To do that, press and hold power button and the volume up keys at the same time and select restart. Then wait until your device is restarted so that we can refresh the light sensors. Once your phone is restarted, turn it on again, try re-enabling auto brightness and see how it works for you this time. And in case it still doesn't work the way you want it to, then try updating the software on your phone. To do that, open settings, then go to system and update, go to software update and check if your device has any updates. Of course you have to be connected to the internet in order to do that. And as you can see, everything is up to date for me, but if you do have any updates, then take your time and install the latest ones. And this way you will make your hardware work in touch with your software, and hopefully this will fix your problem. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.